Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Wednesday morning. How is everyone? Today is day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas. And so we are going to open up day 3. This is the package from Shannon for day 3. We'll read the clue and guess what it is, and then we'll open it. And then we'll look at day 3 under the flap and read that. And then remember I told you that her mom put 3 different packages in the box for me to open too? Well, she told me yesterday that I needed to pull out the oddly shaped package and open it today. So I don't know what's in here, but I'm thinking I want to open this one first. So here we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's something hard. Lynn, is this a duck? I think it's a duck. I really think it's a duck. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my word. I love it. It's a pink, sparkly duck. Oh my word. It's the cutest thing. Dazzle Ducky. That is so fun. Look at him. Dazzle Ducky. Lynn, I absolutely love him. Her. Pink. She's pink. It's her. I love her. She is adorable. Look at all that pink sparkle on that duck. Oh my word. If I had a Jeep, it would go on my dashboard. I love it. This is so fun. Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Okay, where can I put this duck? Well, for right now, she's going to go right here. Here. I'll just set her right here for right now and she can keep us company in the video. Lynn, that's priceless. I love it. Okay, so I have a friend who has a Jeep, and I'm not kidding you. You can't even see her dashboard for all the ducks she has. I will have to send her a picture of that. That's hilarious. I love it. So we're going to flip this over, and let's see what Shannon put for day 3. It says, and spread sunshine all over the place. Just put, and it's blank. Oh, that's a song. I know this song. Oh, y'all. Spread. I know what it is. I know what it is. Spread a little sunshine, spread sunshine all over the place, and just put on a happy face. Put on a happy face. I think this is a face mask. I'm gonna guess a face mask. Let's see. She's got a little bit of a pampering theme going on here with the bath bombs, the hand sanitizer, the shower steamers, the all the yeah, there's like a pampering theme going on here. I think that's what it is. Put on a happy face. Let's see. It's not a face mask, y'all. But it is a happy face. A needle minder. How awesome is that? Let's open this up. This is great. Place the front of the needle minder on the top side of your fabric and secure it in place by placing the small round removable magnet on the other side. Okay. This is cool. I love it. So I'm assuming while you're, and I need this. Shannon, I needed this yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to put this here and put the other magnet on the other side. That's what holds it in place. And then let me get a needle. Okay. Are you kidding me right now? I so need this. You guys know how I am about leaving stuff laying, sitting something down and not being able to find it. This is perfect. I needed this so bad. Um, that Shannon, this is the best. This is the best. It's awesome and I love it. Because I need to wear this with my shirt that Paige sent me that says, now, where is my blank? I just had it in my hand. Not going to happen with my needles anymore. That is fantastic. I absolutely love it. All right, so uh let's look at day 3. I'm sorry, I forgot to turn the notifications down on my phone. Let's look at day 3 and let's see what it says. Never lose those pesky needles again. You are correct, Shannon. Never again. It will be right here. Because what I do is I stick it sometimes, a lot of times I'll stick it in my skein of yarn and then it gets lost down inside the skein of yarn I, and goes away to somewhere in oblivion. I don't know, but that's what happens. Yay, day 3. I love it. I love it. Everything I'm getting is so useful. It's so wonderful. I'm loving it. Love, love, love. So that is day 3. And I thought I had some responses from, did you see Shannon, what all she's doing on her channel for this? So I thought, not only am I going to shout out a content creator and I'll tag them in the description box, but here's a real quick and easy recipe. You could do this anytime, but it's really fun during the holidays. Super simple, super easy. You get you an 8x8 pan. Um, and you take 1 can of cinnamon rolls, Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, or whatever brand of canned cinnamon rolls you want to use. You take those cinnamon rolls and you cut them, each cinnamon roll, into 4 pieces. Okay. You spray your pan real good, coat it, grease it, spray it with Pam, whatever. Put your cut up cinnamon rolls in the bottom and spread them out. Then you get a can of pie filling, whatever pie filling you want. I like cherry, that's my favorite, but you can use apple, blueberry, strawberry, whatever canned pie filling you want. You dump that can of pie filling on top. Okay. You put it in a 350 oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, um, depending on your stove, usually 30 minutes. You want to be sure that the cinnamon rolls are completely baked. They're not doughy. So just after about 20, 30 minutes, check them. You might have to put them in another 5 minutes or so. But once those are done, take it out of the oven. And then I take the icing pack, the little icing that comes with the cinnamon rolls, and I microwave it for about 5 or 10 seconds just to get it real soft. So you can take that container and then you just drizzle that frosting over the top. Done. It is the yummiest dessert. And I love using the cherry because it's red and holidays and Christmas. And so, yeah, there's a real quick and easy recipe for you guys to try. I love making those, and they're super fast. And I can do like 3 of them at a time in my oven. And I get those aluminum pans that you can buy at the dollar store or wherever, just the aluminum pans, and I can put 3 in the oven at a time to bake. So, really good tip right there for you. Um, so today, and I wrote these down, so I need to look so I don't leave anybody out. Today, I want to shout out Janna Kay. Her channel is Leave It to Stitches. LEAVEIT. Leave it, the number 2, stitches. And that's Janna Kay. She's joining us this month for Battle of the Stitches, and I just wanted to shout her out. Her Battle of the Stitches videos that she's going to be doing this month are all going to be shorts. So make sure each Wednesday that you watch her shorts for her Battle of the Stitches videos. And so just want to shout out Janna Kay. She's a dear friend. She's so sweet and her channel is awesome. You guys got to go check her out, and I will have her channel linked in the description box. So there's day 3, y'all. So excited. I am loving this. I just can't even tell you how much I love this, Shannon. Yay! So I'm gonna get off of here, get this video loaded, and watch Shannon's video and see her open her day 3. So make sure you go over after you watch mine, go over and check out Shannon's video and watch what I got her for day 3. Also today, coming up after this video, I will have our first Battle of the Stitches video up, where I am going to give you a tutorial of the parquet stitch. And I really hope you guys will make something with that stitch and share it on our Battle of the Stitches Facebook page. Or if you have a channel, shout it out and share it on your channel and let everybody know about Battle of the Stitches. So I will see you in a little while for video number 2. Have a great day, guys. Bye.